Kia ora. We are learning measurement. We are learning to measure in meters using a meter ruler. You would have seen these examples of meter rulers in and around your classroom. They're usually a big long wooden stick that ranges from 0 centimeters to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters is how many centimeters it is in a meter. Here is an example of a photograph using a meter stick ruler. So you can see that the bottom of the ruler here, which is touching the floor and would be the 0 centimeters, is the starting point for measuring. And then as we go all the way up, we look for the top of the tabletop, which is there. And this point here would be our measurement, as we can see all the way across. So this number here would tell us exactly the height of the table from the floor. I would like you to have a go at the end of this video and have a look around to see what you can measure with your meter ruler and check. Are you starting at 0 on the 0 centimeters at the floor and moving up? If we have a look at this one, this is another example of the meter ruler touching the floor at the base and going all the way up and touching the top of the desk. So it gives you a very accurate measurement for the meter ruler. So wherever your starting point is, always has to be 0, which is the base of it. And then your end point is where the object finishes, and you can have a look at the marking. And you'll be able to see exactly how long that object is, or how wide that object is, using your meter ruler. Here is an example of the width of the television in my classroom. So you can see the starting point here where one student is holding it from the edge of the TV, and it goes all the way along here, which is 1 meter. But you may notice that the other student still hasn't finished. The TV is still longer than what the meter ruler is. So have a chat to your buddy and think about, how could you measure this TV? Do we need 1 meter ruler, or do we need 2 meter rulers? Pause the video and have a chat to your buddy. You're right, we could use 2 meter rulers to add another ruler on the end and work out the exact measurement. Or we could use a tape measure going from one end, the starting point, going right the way along to the end point of the TV. That would give us an accurate measurement. Or we could put a marking here on the TV, or put one of our fingers from another student there, and then use the same meter ruler and add this distance here onto your already 1 meter ruler. I would like you to find 3 items that you can measure in your classroom using a meter ruler. Once you've measured and confirmed your answers with your teacher, you should be able to begin your practice measurement tasks. Remember, this is your opportunity to show your knowledge of how you are going to use your meter ruler to get an accurate reading using your meters. Until next time.